Alrighty, so we have some really exciting news coming out of Nagashima Spa Land, a park in Japan. One of their coasters that everyone has known for a really long time that's going to get RMC'd. It looks like the layout is finally released, the full layout, and it shows a lot. And I mean, I wasn't expecting it to be a contender against Steel Vengeance. And I'm not saying it is a better coaster than Steel Vengeance. I don't know yet. I haven't been on it one, and I don't see it up close and personal. There is a POV in here, an updated POV, which you'll be able to watch this after this. But construction has definitely been slow going. It's a 2019 coaster, and in my honest opinion, these are pretty recent photos that I got off of Twitter. And it just looks very slow going. Now, here's the POV I was talking about. So this is up to you. I want to hear from you guys down below in the comments section. Do you think this is a good contender against Steel Vengeance? Do you think this could take its spot for best RMC? I definitely want to hear from you down below because this is a tough one. This one has a lot of airtime moments as well, and I'm just watching this in depth for the first time now. I don't know if it takes the inversion record, so let's find out if it does. But this is very interesting news coming out of Japan, and I'm glad to finally see this in depth. And I think this is going to be a very big topic of discussion in the coaster community over the next couple weeks, months, and even into next year when it opens. This does look very similar to Steel Vengeance in a lot of ways, I'm going to say. Definitely comment down below what you guys think, though. This is a very interesting change of events that occurred today with all this news that came out yesterday over it. And yeah, it's really exciting. I know a lot of people were really dying for this information on the coaster. So the coaster's name, from what I'm understanding, is actually Moby Dick in translation, with the word that it's being called in Japan is Hakugei. I'm totally pronouncing that wrong. If anyone can comment down below on how to properly pronounce that, but that translates into Moby Dick. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick update on Moby Dick, the coaster, I guess. Comment down below what you think, give the video a like, and subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching. Bye.